I have exhibited before at Down on the Light. This is our 4th year in a row now, and this certainly stands out quite above a lot of the other exhibitions that we do, purely because of the quality.
Through the people coming through at the moment, there's a lot of family people, a lot of high-skilled people coming through, very experienced, a lot of what Australia is looking for.
I think it feels much more of like a sort of family event.
What also makes Down on the Light stand out above a lot of the other exhibitions is giving us the opportunity to introduce ourselves to our clients through the seminar program.
The seminar program is very comprehensive. It's a great program.
Praise high enough about the magazine and how informative it is, and it keeps them updated with what's going on. It's fun.
The magazine really adds to the show. It makes the show.
We certainly enjoy coming around here, and certainly will be doing so in the future, yeah.
By far, it's been very, very good.
It's been very worthwhile for us.
Very good.
Found some really good information out from everybody here, really helpful for ready to emigrate to Australia.
It's very good, exceptional really. It's just been lots of information, really helpful.
I think it's answered all the questions that we had before we came.
It's much better face to face.
You get to actually talk to the people there and then get instant feedback.
Live's definitely better, face to face, you know, one to one, it's definitely better.